Good morning students. We are starting today the sketching classes in first video. First of all, before you start sketch, you should know about pencil, shading, light and dark tones. So in first I am telling you about pencil. Which pencil you should have to use for drawing. So pencil. HB pencils. HB pencils is for writing, which you use for writing purpose, right? Is it not for shading? Okay. So pencil, HB pencils is for writing, not for shading. Okay. Now H and B. What I have done it, I separated H here and B there. Okay. H goes very light and B goes very dark, means H lead, pencil lead goes very light and lead, pencil lead goes very hard. Okay, and B pencil goes very dark and the lid of the pencil goes very soft. Okay, H pencil is also not for shading. HB pencils is not for shading. B pencil lid goes very dark and soft. It is for shading purpose. Okay. Shading. In shading, what we have to do? Shading, in market we wash so many types of pencil in the market for shading, for drawing, right? So there are numbers of pencils. So in shading, 2B, 3B, 4B, 6B, 8B, 10B. B. This is so many types of pencils and so on also. 8B, 10B are so many thick and very lid was very soft, which is very dark. And 6B is for you only use for drawing purpose. 6B we have to use for drawing purpose. Okay, shading. In shading, so what you have to do, you have to buy 6B pencils for shading, only 6B. I'm not saying you have to buy that much all pencils. No, you only have to buy only one 6B pencils. You can buy a camel 6B pencils. Okay, now which easily available in market. So now come shading. What we have to do in shading, I have make it 15 boxes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, right? So what we have to do, you have to take scale. I have taken. What you have to do, you have to take scale. Okay, now there is a centimeter and inches, right? So what you have to do, from centimeter purpose, you have to put here. Okay, and saw there half inch, which I have written it over here 0.5, means from upper portion and from lower portion both you have to take 0.5 inches. Okay, and for the height you have to take 1.5 inch, right? You have to put like this, and you have to take 1.5 inches, right? What I have done it over here, right? I have done it like this. This is 1.5, all the points, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14, and one more. So one more also. See, I am just drawing one more portion, right? Like this. 15. Okay. For shading, what you have to do, you have to pick your pencil at the back portion and your hand should be very light. So what I am doing, I am starting a shading portion. How to have to shade. When you are doing sketching, there are so many types of lines in sketchings. Okay, so what you have to do, first of all, leave your hand very light, and from the back you have to pick the pencil and see what I am doing. Very light, very light. Very light I am doing. Fine. You don't have to rub it. No, you don't have to rub it now. Second, from dark, little bit dark. See, this is little bit dark. I am giving pressure to the pencil from my right hand only, back side. It's little bit dark. Now third, little bit more dark. It's little bit more dark, is it? Is it yes? Now what I am doing, I am picking little bit in front, a little bit more dark. One thing you are observing, that no lines are there in shading. No lines, right? Now again I am coming little bit more dark. One thing also observe, that I am using only one single angle. I am not using like this, 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 I am not using like this. This is all wrong. Right, what you have to do, there is an angle in 45-degree angle. In 45-degree angle we should shade. We should shade, right? So I am doing in 45-degree angle, right? Now in sixth, little bit more dark. I know what you are watching, that I am using which pencil, right? Right now I am using Staedtler, but for you I